NetProfiler allows you to verify and optimize the performance of your instrument, correcting issues caused by age, wear, or environmental conditions. You will need your calibrated set of NetProfiler tiles before beginning. To get started, launch NetProfiler and select your instrument type. If your instrument is properly connected, you will see a green background and its serial number will be shown. If not, double-check your USB connection. With the profile option selected, click the Forward button. Enter your NetProfiler account information. Then enter your calibration standard, which can be found on the box your tiles are stored in. Additional connection settings can be configured if required. Once you're ready to proceed, check the Stable and Clean checkbox and then click the Forward button. You will first be asked to calibrate your device. To do so, follow the prompts in the software using the same procedure outlined in calibrating your instrument. Next, you will be asked to test for repeatability by measuring your mid-gray and deep blue standards. Place the mid-gray standard between the sample holder and aperture port. Then click Measure. A green check mark will indicate a pass. Repeat the process for the deep blue standard. Once done, click the Forward button. You will now take a series of measurements for the profile. Input the temperature of the tiles shown on the thermometer on the top of the box. Then click Enter. Once again, you will be asked to perform the calibration procedure. You will now be asked to measure each of the tiles. They can be measured in any order. A green check mark will indicate the tile passes the measurement. If you receive a yellow warning triangle, you should clean the tile and try again. Once all tiles are measured, click the Forward button. Repeat this process to verify your profile. Once done, click the Forward button. A report will be created and the profile will be stored. The NetProfiler light on the front of your instrument will also be illuminated. If the delta E of your new profile is higher than your current profile, then your current profile will be used.